a little secret about your brake fluid reservoir. So you can see your low and your high. What most people do when they go to quick lubes, they'll say, we'll drain this and top it off. Do not do that. If you're going to drain it out through the calipers so it's all new fluid. Or if they just want to top it off, don't. Because technically, this is your gauge to your brake pads. So I was in the middle on this Tahoe, and I just put new pads and rotors on it. And now it's full again. They didn't want anything else done. So the biggest thing when it comes to your brake fluid is never fill it to the full mark unless you got all new brakes and you're flushing out the system. Because until that, the lower this gets, it'll show you what your brake pad thickness is. Or if one side's hanging up, it'll drop. If it drops and your brakes are good and your pedal's spongy, that's because either your master cylinder went in here, the seals, or you got a broken brake line. But this is your brake pad gauge, so don't top it off unless you put new pads in and flush the system out. Whenever it's low and you put new stuff on, that's the time to do all this. Or you could just leave it in that spot and flush it out. That way, whenever everything's pushed back in, it'll be full again. But just some advice on your brake master cylinder and the reservoir and the fluid levels. Hopefully this will help and keep stuff from happening.